welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. And today, guys, we are taking another cheeky look at Zilliqa. We'll be taking a look at Zil and basically a way to earn Zil via a quiz on Telegram. So it's going to get a little bit interesting, isn't it, Chris? Another way to earn passive income using Zilliqa, which is fantastic.
Definitely, Nick. Definitely. And you know, we like to earn a passive income, don't we?
We do. I mean, we just set up our Cardano stake pool. So, if you're owner of ADA, do check out the Cardano stake pool under the ticker Cheek. And yeah, we love passive income and lots of different ways of earning it. So we're going to take a look at this in detail, find out just how to go about earning Zilliqa via Telegram. And then we're going to also have a look, Chris, at the Zilliqa to USD charts, see where the price currently is today, see what's happening there with the candle formations, and what we might expect in the coming days and weeks. It's going to be an interesting video, so do stick with us. And Chris, anything you want to add, or should we just jump straight on over to the desktop?
Let's get straight into it, Nick. I really do like this project.
Fantastic. Right, so you can now earn Zilliqa or Zil from CryptoState via a quiz on Telegram. So you will be able to earn the tokens of the high-speed blockchain app via answering quizzes on Telegram channels. So you can earn Zil tokens. So those who don't know, it's a high-speed blockchain. Zilliqa has partnered with CryptoState, your 24/7 crypto news and analysts outlet. So to bring you an innovative quiz contest that allows users to earn Zil tokens. So here's the tweet, if you will, from Zilliqa, and it says, are you ready to learn and earn on Telegram? CryptoState will start sending out Zil-related quizzes soon. It's first come, first serve. Join the participants here. No 𝗕𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦 account yet. Sign up and get one here. So they're really kind of helping you out with that. So Zilliqa, is the world's first blockchain to implement sharding on its mainnet, delivering high speed, high security for enterprise and applications. The core features that make Zilliqa scalable is sharding, dividing the network into several smaller component networks called shards, capable of processing transactions in parallel. As announced today, CryptoState will start sending out Zil-related quizzes soon. It is on a first-come, first-served basis and will provide to all users on CryptoSlate's official Telegram. This is the CryptoSlate News Telegram. So this is absolutely fantastic. Another way to earn passive income, and this used to be quite common practice, not with Telegram, but in quizzes in general. With Bitcoin in the early days, right? And I think there's been some fantastic stories of people who have found old Bitcoin that was that they earned during quizzes, etc., in the early days of Bitcoin and blockchain, and have become incredibly wealthy in the recent days. So it's fantastic to see, that the same kind of processes are also applied in the current day to crypto as well. So the quiz will allow users to learn and earn by answering the provided questions correctly. It has been made possible via, I don't know if I'm going to say this right, but 𝗕𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦 bot, Zilliqa's peer-to-peer reward and engagement bot. It is the most advanced Telegram-based crypto application in the world. And that's it's a nice thing to say, isn't it? So what is 𝗕𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘, right? As per its site, 𝗕𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘 handles all transactions in a secure and splendiferously quick manner. I can't even say how. Just quick. Very, very quick. That's how I'm going to sum that up. With it, you can send, receive Zil, tip your fellow community members, or buy Zil via Telegram. And it's absolutely fantastic to see such huge functionality. For those who do not know, I know Telegram is big, but there's still people who do not use Telegram even to this day. So the firm's experts have designed 𝗕𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘, the so-called bot-ler, I like that, to be secure, swift, and efficient. 𝗕𝗢𝗠𝗑 account holders have several other benefits as well, such as being part of its global community, which in turn comes with many benefits and rewards. 𝗕𝗢𝗠𝗑's loyalty program is tiered points-based system designed to drive and incentivize a meaningful in community engagement. actions performed through our bots basically, correspond with certain points. Over time, one can accumulate points and benefits from special giveaways at various levels described below. Users who sign up to Zilliqa are automatically integrated into the program, and it is live until March 2021. So really, really good stuff. So follow, do go ahead and follow 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗧𝗧 News on Telegram. You can also get to the links, in the tweet from Zilliqa here. You can do that. It's highly recommended because ultimately, who doesn't love a way to earn more ZIL tokens, Chris?
Yeah, exactly that. You got to do this stuff, right? I mean, how much is ZIL going to be worth in the future?
This is exactly it, isn't it?
Exactly. So yeah, love the project, and I think it's a nice, innovative sort of way to sort of promote ZIL as well as 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗧𝗧.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Chris, should we take a look at the Zilliqa chart and take a look at what's going on there as well?
Yeah, let's do it, Nick. Let's get into the charts.
Fantastic. So here we are on the Zilliqa to USD. This is the daily chart at the minute. We're going to zoom in here, just get it a little bit bigger for you guys. So we can see that today is a bit of an indecisive candle. It does not know whether it's going to go up or down, okay, at the point of recording this video. So when we take a look at this, it's pretty much, it's a little bit higher than where it closed, or opened, I should say, and it's likely to probably close in a very similar position. Wicks are, short on either side, or on the downside and the upside, so very indecisive. And the market just generally does not know what to do with Zilliqa at this point. With that being said, we obviously see two big Bitcoin corrections pulling the price down. We obviously had the one up here that broke our trend line. And then we obviously had the upside testing the trend, and the trend kind of sits quite nicely still. We had the second Bitcoin correction that drove the price back down into a test of the 5.8 cent resistance and support level here. From here, we've come up quite strongly, and basically, we're well above the 50% retracement level, and we're kind of between 50% and the 0.618 Fibonacci. Okay, so we're in between those two zones, and that's where the market currently does not know what to do. And if we have a look at the Bollinger Bands, they're getting tighter, they're narrowing, and we are still below that middle band, so there could be a bit of resistance there as well. If we have a look at the MACD, it's in a negative position on the daily chart, so that's not the best sign in the world, but the RSI is in an okay position. It's in the middle there, it's not overbought, it's not oversold, so a lot can happen with ZIL in the short term. Now, if we go ahead and draw this down, Chris, we'll have a look at the 4-hourly chart as well, and we can see it's a lot more indecision. We can see that the Bollinger Bands are getting narrower and wider and narrower again. We can see the Bitcoin correction coming down, testing that low level on the 4-hourly. We can see the motion back up, and then lots of sideways trading. Bit indecisive, no one really knows what to do. We did have that crossover in the positive direction for the MACD, and that's what really drove the price up in that particular section there. But also at that point in time, we were over entering, I guess. We weren't oversold, but we're definitely entering a position where we could have been oversold. And so that also got corrected on the upside. So we're now just below the 50 RSI level, which is a good strong indication that there's still a lot of momentum to go. And again, it could go in either direction, being in the middle there. So let's go through this again into our 1-hourly, and we can just zoom in, make those candles a little bit bigger, so we can still see it's basically just traded sideways, up and down. It's kind of within these Bollinger Bands, right? This narrowing, it's getting tighter, so something is going to happen shortly. It's going to burst up or down, so one of these decisions has got to be made in the short term. We can see that the MACD has been crisscrossing quite a bit on this hourly chart. And if we take a look at the RSI, it was definitely oversold for a period. That was down here when the Bitcoin correction was occurring, and we definitely went up to the upside. We got quite high, we had that correction, we've gone up high again, we've come back down, and we're somewhere in the middle, a nice comfortable area on the RSI, on the hourly chart as well. So ultimately, everything's looking pretty good on Zilliqa at this point in time, Chris. There's nothing that I would say I'm majorly kind of concerned with. Just that we kind of need to get and hit a few key areas, right? So if I zoom in here, we can see that we are obviously, as I said before, between that 50% retracement and that 61% retracement, right? And what we really need to do is we obviously need to get above the major resistance that we've been having, which is at 7.7 cents. Once we get above 7.7 cents, the immediate action that we have to have is get above that 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. In this grey zone, and I'm going to go see if I can just grab a rectangular box, right? So what we need to be inside this zone. In here, if we can get a daily close at a bare minimum, a weekly would be better, but a daily close in here, it should indicate that we should have a good, strong position moving to the upside. Okay, and obviously then we'll be looking at targeting our first price target for Zilliqa. So we need to hit this, but obviously we have quite a bit of movement to go through first. With that being said, it's not impossible to see this happen very, very quickly. We can see this green candle here, for example. It kind of smashed past quite a few areas of resistance, closed in this area, even though it had a retest down here and that high level achieved. The very next day we also had a green candle. So there's lots going on that can help Zilliqa in the short term. If we have a look at those price targets, Chris, we can see that the first target is 13.9 cents. So from our current position of 6.8, that's quite a significant jump. But there's still such potential for Zilliqa. It should be relatively comfortable to achieve it. If we look at that second price target, it's 20.7 cents. The third price target, 27.5 cents. And at the top here, it's 31.8. Those are just the immediate, and obviously we will reset our targets as time progresses. But as of this point and the current trading value, hitting that top level of 31.8 would indicate a 365% growth on the current position. So really, really good stuff, I think, to come for Zilliqa. And I would be really impressed to see $1 Zilliqa this year, Chris. I'm not sure if you align to that thinking.
Yeah, I'm definitely aligned to that. I think, we've got to see the bull run sort of play out as we expect it to do. But yeah, I really do, Nick. I think, it's a really good project. It's solid, great staking rewards, and yeah, I love this project.
Absolutely. So guys, if you have found this video useful, informative, maybe just a dash entertaining, do go ahead and smash that like button. Chris really appreciates it, and so do I. And if you're new to the channel and not yet subscribed, do go ahead and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you will be kept up to date with all of the videos and live streams that we do here at Cheeky Crypto. And with all that said and done, we hope you have a fantastic day, guys, and we'll catch you all in the next one.
Yeah, take care.